Hello beautiful souls, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. Last week I went to my very first Burning Man and I survived it. Boy, what an experience. Who else is a burner? Let me know in the comment below. My dear friend and I had a great time on the playa as much as we could on our new Hello Kitty bikes she got for almost nothing just for this event. Even the tires had Hello Kitty and I left Hello Kitty faces wherever I went. My playa name was Pink Matcha this year. Pink from Hello Kitty and matcha for some Japanese-ness. Kimono costume came in handy as a good light cover from a very harsh sun. There is just so much to experience with amazing art, creativity, activities, generosity, and fun expressions. In case you're planning to go to Burning Man in the future, this week I will share my foot care that I did during the Burning Man and post-Burning Man at home. At Black Rock City, where Burning Man takes place, playa sand is very fine alkaline dust. Alkaline dust can cause chemical burns called playa foot. They recommend to wear socks and closed-toe shoes, but you cannot avoid touching the alkaline dust because it gets in everywhere. I've talked to long-time burners and you could survive in sandals and flip-flops as long as you take care of your feet. One way to take a good care of your feet is to do a foot soak with vinegar before you go to bed. I had this foldable bucket that's lightweight and doesn't take space, which is important if you travel with a limited space. First, have a towel ready to wipe after the foot soak. I put 3 parts of water and 1 part of vinegar and soak my feet. I did this in the driver's seat of the car and now I do this under the desk while I try to catch up on things. It was a good digital detox to live off-grid with no reception. After 10 to 15 minutes or even longer, I wipe my feet dry. You may notice your feet are very soft. Then slather on a heavy moisturizer of your choice. Mine is Nivea only because I happen to have a big jar at home and it works as a heavy moisturizer for me. If you Google, there are a bunch of discussions on which moisturizer is good. If I didn't have Nivea, I would have taken a coconut oil, which was often recommended. If you try a new product, you should definitely use it before you go. After applying the heavy moisturizer, put on clean socks. This will help moisturize your feet and keep the environment like the floor, sleepers, and bed sheets clean from the moisturizer. Then you go to bed and you wake up with beautiful feet. The rest is the spectacular fireworks and the burning of the man. I hope you enjoy, but you enjoy more if you're there. Thanks for watching. Make it a great week.